In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to use the Hotspot thematic view. The Hotspot thematic view can be used for any dataset that's been imported, and you can view those datasets in that Hotspot view in your first tab for your sales territories. To view the hotspots, you simply click here on the Map menu at the top, and then click on the Visible button. And right away, you will turn on the hotspot view. It'll default to showing you the account count in Hotspot View if you've imported sales accounts. Clicking on the drop-down menu, you can select any dataset that's been imported into this AlignMix file. So if we select Sales, you will now see the hotspots for all of your sales that are found in each sales territory. Let's zoom into the Denver area here, and you can see as the zip codes get darker, there's more and more sales in those zip codes. So the hotspots are colored to match the color gradient of your sales territories. You can also adjust the contrast of those hotspots by toggling the up and down arrows here, or by typing in a contrast percentage here in this box. So as we zoom out, you can see all of those hotspots. While in this hotspot view, you can go back to the home menu and you can use all of your alignment tools that you would typically use in a normal alignment view. So as I move boundaries around, you can see that Touch Align tool still works. And the same will apply for any of the tools that are found in AlignMix. To turn off the hotspot view, click back on the Map menu and then deselect the Visible button, and it will return to the original colors that you had on your map. And there you go. You've just learned how to use the hotspot view here in AlignMix.